Okay. Uh-huh. Oh my. This is a nice day today. Yeah, it is for the flutters. Wait, I think somebody's coming. Uh-oh. Let's hide. La 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 la. I don't know where peppermint and flutters went. Candy sweet. Akimina. Yes, yes. Have you seen peppermint and flutters anywhere? Yeah, they're in the fridge. The fridge. Hey guys, what are you doing here? Cindy Pops. Ah!